In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Google Chrome extension in a CRX file to save on your PC. If you've ever wanted to backup or store a Chrome extension, exporting it in CRX format is a simple way to do that. Today, we'll walk through the process step by step. First, let's start by preparing our tools for the task. To download Chrome extensions as CRX files, you'll need a CRX downloader extension. Open your Chrome browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, type CRX Extractor or CRX Downloader in the search bar. You'll see a list of available extensions. Choose one that you find has good reviews, such as the popular CRX Extractor Downloader, and install it by clicking on the Add to Chrome button. This will ensure that you've got the right tool to facilitate our task. Now, with the CRX Downloader tool installed, we're ready to zero in on the specific Chrome extension that you'd like to save. Navigate back to the Chrome Web Store and locate the extension you wish to export. You can find this by entering the name of the extension in the search bar of the web store or by browsing through your already installed extensions. Once you have the extension page open, direct your attention to your Chrome toolbar, usually located at the top right section of the browser. Here, you should see the icon of the CRX Downloader extension, which was added earlier. This icon might look like a small download arrow or a file symbol indicating its purpose. Now comes the action part. Click on the CRX Downloader icon. You'll be presented with some options, and what you're looking for is the option to download as CRX. Selecting this option will trigger the download process, and the extension will be saved in the form of a CRX file on your computer. This downloaded file can be stored safely on your PC, giving you a handy backup if ever needed in the future. It's important to remember that this is intended for personal use and ensuring you're within the terms of service and usage rights of the Chrome Web Store. While saving your favorite extensions might be your goal, sharing or distributing this file outside your personal domain can lead to violations. And that's it. You've successfully exported a Google Chrome extension as a CRX file. This simple process allows you to keep a copy of your favorite extensions stored on your PC. Feel free to follow these steps anytime to back up other extensions as necessary. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more videos for useful tech tips.